Welcome to Lesson 5 of our ZSH shell tutorial. Today we'll learn how to customize your terminal. You'll master the .zshrc file, aliases, environment variables, and prompt customization. Let's get started. The .zshrc file is your shell's configuration file. It lives in your home directory and runs every time you open a terminal. You can edit it with Nano or any text editor. After making changes, use the source command to apply them. source_/.zshrc reloads your configuration. This is where all your customizations will live. Let's explore the .zshrc file. It's located in your home directory. Here's a peek at the first few lines of your config. We can create files to organize our settings. To apply changes, we use the source command. This reloads the configuration without restarting the terminal. Aliases are shortcuts for commands you use frequently. The syntax is alias, then the shortcut name, equals, then the full command in quotes. For example, alias ll equals quote ls minus la quote. Now typing ll runs the full ls minus la command. Create aliases for Git commands, navigation, and more. Add them to your .zshrc to make them permanent. Let's create some aliases. First, we create some test files. Here's the normal ls-la output. Now let's create an alias, ll for ls-la. ll gives us the same output, but with fewer keystrokes. Let's create an alias for clear. Now C clears the screen. We can check our aliases with the alias command. Navigation shortcuts are super handy too. 2 dots now takes us up one directory. Environment variables store configuration values. Local variables are only available in the current shell. Use export to make variables available to child processes. Export my var equals value makes it accessible everywhere. Common variables include path, home, user, and editor. The path variable tells the shell where to find programs. You can add to path by prepending new directories. Let's explore environment variables. $home shows your home directory. $user shows your username. $shell shows which shell you're using. We can create local variables like this. Use export to make them available to programs. Here's your path variable, split by colons. You can add directories to path for custom scripts. The prompt variable controls what your terminal prompt looks like. ZSH uses %codes for dynamic content. %n shows your username. %m shows your machine's hostname. %tilde shows the current directory. %hash shows the prompt symbol. You can add colors with %f and %f. Customize it to show the information you need. Let's customize the prompt. Here's our current prompt setting. Let's start with just the username. Now add the hostname. Let's add the current directory and prompt symbol. Now for colors: green username, blue hostname, yellow directory. Watch how the directory updates as we navigate. Let's recap Lesson 5. The .zshrc file stores your shell configuration. Aliases create shortcuts for frequently used commands. Export makes environment variables available everywhere. The prompt variable customizes your terminal prompt. Next up, input and output redirection with pipes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Coming up next, redirecting input and output with pipes. See you in the next lesson.